Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very quick video on what fits inside the Gucci Super Mini. This is the Super Mini in the red. I just ordered this. I also ordered the Super Mini in black. And I wanted to compare the two, but for those of you who watched my original unboxing video, which I will link down below for those of you who haven't watched it and are interested, I think I will be returning both, unfortunately, for a variety of reasons which I won't get into here because, like I said, I've already went into the details in the unboxing video. But before I return this, I wanted to quickly show you what fits inside because I've gotten a lot of questions and I know people are curious. How small is this little cutie? It's quite small. See? It is very small. It is called a Super Mini for a reason. I mean, it is very, very small. It's probably half the size of the toy Lulu, which I love. And I did a review on the toy Lulu as well if you're interested. But let me just show you. It's got the aged gold hardware. It's all chain, pretty substantial in weight. A bit cold to the touch, obviously, because it's a chain, and not my personal preference, but looks super cute on other people. And if you don't mind the chain, then this might be a good bag for you, especially if you are a minimalist and you only want to carry your essentials. The inside has a key hook or chain that's attached. You could also remove it if it gets in the way. This chain strap is also removable, and there are tons of reviews on YouTube showing how to wear this bag. I think it's very versatile. You can wear it crossbody on your shoulder. You can actually loop it around and make it shorter. You could also wear it as a belt bag if you loop it around your waist. And of course, you can remove it entirely and just use this as a little clutch or as a pouch. That's how small it is. The inside is all soft microfiber lining. It has this kind of pinky beige color, so it's easy to see your stuff. But then again, it's so small, I don't think you'd have a hard time finding your stuff in this bag. All one compartment, no pockets, no zippers. So let me quickly get started here. First, I will show you my iPhone 7 Plus case. I'm currently filming with my phone, so it's empty, but just wanted to show you that it does fit pretty comfortably. It looks like it sticks out a little bit, but it's actually no problem. It closes fine. And there is about a centimeter space left over on the sides, so easy to pull in and out. And then for this bag, I would use a card holder. I would not use a full-blown wallet. I'll show you real quickly in a minute. But for the a slim card holder like this can fit very easily. And then I have my keys in this little suede pouch. Or I don't know if it's suede, it's like microfiber. It kind of matches the inside of the bag. If you have the Louis Vuitton key clay or the 4-key holder, that would probably be comparable in size, and you can put it in like that standing up, or you can actually hook it onto that little chain I showed you before and maybe lay it at the bottom of the bag. If you also wanted to add a lip gloss, this is just a Dior lip gloss that I've had for a while. I'd probably have to plop it on top, and again, a lot of this stuff looks like it doesn't fit, but you know, if you play with it, it does, and it closes fine. It is a snap closure, so you have to look where you're closing it. As you can see, I'm struggling a bit. I think a magnet would have been easier, but anyhow, there you go. There are little pockets of space in the corners here, but I don't know what else could really fit that is that small. If you wanted to, let's say, use this in the summertime and put some sunglasses instead and maybe not use a card holder, maybe you put some cash or one card in a pocket somewhere and not in this bag. These are my slimmest sunglasses. They're very thin. They do fit easily. These are a little bit thicker. These are my Lady Dior sunglasses. As you can see, I have to push them down because they're a little thicker, and then I can probably put something on top. Let's see. Yep, my card holder can go on top. Let's see if I can get the lippy back in. Yeah, I could. If I really tried, I could get it all in there. It's a bit like Tetris though. And, oh boy. Okay, you saw that. That was not great, especially if you're out in the street somewhere. Like I said, it is like Tetris. You might have to pull this out first to get your sunglasses out. These are my Louis Vuitton sunglasses they fold really, really flat. I love these. I showed them in another video. You see how they fold like this? So I like these for space saving. But they're a little wider, so let's see. Yeah, they do fit. Okay. Yeah, and I just wouldn't pile on top because I would worried about my sunglasses getting scratched or damaged. But let me also show you what it would look like with a more traditional compact wallet. This is the Saint Laurent croc embossed wallet that I bought a few months ago that I'm in love with. I think it's gorgeous. I think Saint Laurent does the croc really, really well. But look how huge this wallet looks compared to... It looks like it just takes over the bag. So if you were to put a wallet in there, you're done, pretty much. That's that. I don't know why anyone would want to do that, but I just wanted to show you. You'd probably have a little bit of space, an inch of space here, maybe for your keys or a lippy, and that's that. And then, because this is a very popular item, and I know a lot of you either own one or you've definitely seen it, the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, I wanted to show you a size comparison. So the mini pochette is actually just a tad bit smaller than the super mini. It's probably maybe an inch or 3/4 of an inch shorter in height, and then in length the same, about an inch or 3/4 of an inch shorter or narrower, I guess. And then here the depth is slightly, I think it's slightly smaller here on the mini pochette. But I mean, guys, it's comparable. Like, you could probably add a long strap, a long chain strap to this and wear this as a quote unquote super mini. I know it's a different look, but just saying. So this, if you're curious, because I know some of you are like die hard, you take your mini pochettes everywhere, this is not going to fit, ladies. Look how silly that looks. Yeah, that's not going to close, and it looks crazy. Let me see. Yep, that's as far as it goes. So that is a quick comparison with the mini pochette, in case you were wondering. I love this little cutie. Okay, that's it, guys. Really a quick video on what fits inside. If, again, you are a minimalist and you're looking for a super adorable, cute little bag, especially with a pop of color. The red is really nice. It's like a cherry red. Yeah, this could be fun, and it's a decent price point, right, for a designer luxury item. It's $890. It's, you know, under $1,000. If you use department store coupons or promotions, or I used Ebates, which is an app, if you're not familiar, at least in the States, it's available to quickly download on your phone, and they partner with lots of department stores to give cashback promo. And when I purchased this, I think it was either 10% cashback or 12% cashback on Saks, which is pretty good. It saves me on New York sales tax and a little bit more. So the price is fine. It's just tiny and not for everyone. And I do have questions and concerns about the quality. So again, if you are curious to know about that, feel free to check out my Gucci Super Mini double unboxing video, which I just uploaded the other day. Hope this was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and if you haven't subscribed already, would love for you to join the handbag fan club and hit the notification bell so that you can be one of the first to know when I upload a new video. Thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.